All right, now let's move on to the Add Visual Inspection. If you click Add Visual Inspection, then you're going to see a whole bunch of new options pull up. If you're standing right where the visual inspection is and you use the GPS information on your phone, then you can simply add the device's location there, or you can put in a description of the location. Now, if there are multiple areas where water is leaving the site, then you would need to add a separate visual inspection for each of those areas where water is leaving the site. Okay, so you'll put in the location description. Now, next says describe how the sample was taken. What we're going to put here is visual. Okay, we're going to put visual sample or visually. This is always going to be visually. You don't need to take an actual physical sample of anything. Go ahead and just put visually in here, okay? Next, you're going to select the applicable weather conditions when you are out there. Not when the water occurred or before you were there, but just currently while you are here looking at this, what are the weather conditions? Next, you're going to look and see if there is color visible. So you're going to look at the discharge. If it's completely clear and you can see all the way through it, then there's no color visible and you won't have to select that. But if it is brown, if it is black, if there are shiny, rainbowy greens and yellows in it, anything like that, that's when you're going to select color as visible. You'll select which color there is. If you can't really describe it just with one of the options, then you can add comments. The intensity of the color you'll put in there, and then the clarity. So maybe it is green or brown, but it's mostly clear. We're going to indicate how clear it is. Next is odor. Again, I don't want you to get down on your hands and knees and put your nose in the discharge, but I just want you to, breathe in and see if there are any odors present. If there are any odors present, then you're going to go ahead and select that, and you're going to select which one it is. Does it smell like chlorine? Does it smell like sulfur? Does it smell like gasoline? What does it smell? Does it smell like rotten eggs? Whatever. That's going to help us identify what is in the discharge. And the final one is, are there any floated or suspended or settled solids? This we're looking for grass and leaves and twigs, or sediments, large clumps of sediments, or any type of scum, or foam that's on there. So you'll select that if there's anything in the discharge. And then you'll go ahead and select done to complete the discharge. Again, if there are multiples, then you'll want to do multiple visual inspections.